I want him to shoot me.
Dance mode. Is that your favorite? The dance mode?
Yes. This is dance mode.
That button right there? Okay, cool. Shoot your stuff. Shoot. Which one? How do you shoot? Let's try shooting. See if there's the rocket button. See what the rocket button does. Does it shoot? Or is it just a rocket? Yeah.
It shoots?
Hit it again. Bow! There you go. Hit it again. Boom! Oh, that went under the stove. Okay.
Good thing we have extra.
Yeah, they give you one extra. Let's shoot that way so it doesn't go under the stove. There you go. Fire! Bow!
Let's do.
Rawr. Oh, the little buttons with his head on. And there, his passing gas button, right there. Should I push the what was the big one that we did before? This target button. Try that target button. Target button. It's a dramatic attack.
Yeah, doing